welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be pretty much reallocating the funds that is in my side hustle binder. So basically I'm going to be taking all the cash out, and then I'm going to be putting the cash back into my envelopes, but I'm going to be prioritizing which ones need the most and which ones I don't need. So that is the beauty of kind of like already using these, so that way I can see what I need. And this is like one of my newest binders that I've made so far for this year. And y'all, okay, so let's slide her over. Can y'all let me know what you think about my new cash tray? Okay, all right, so I know you guys were saying, Tina, are you gonna bling it out? Are you gonna bling it out? And you guys know I love pink, I love blinged out stuff, so that's what I did. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like before. The only thing about it is that you can order just one box. It comes in a 2-pack, so that's why I have 2 of them. So but I really wanted the box, so that's why I went ahead and got it. All right, so this is my new box setup, so you guys let me know. And I kind of left it a little bit clear, just so that I can see the money, you know, between when I close, not between it, but when I close the thing. And I just blinged it out with some stickers, and y'all, it is blinged out all around, right? Isn't that crazy? All right, so then in the inside, I'm gonna show you guys here. I know this is supposed to be like a cash stuffing, but I'm showing you guys, and this is how the inside of it looks. And then I do have this blinged out on there. I'm so excited. And this blinged out here. So basically, if I want to put it up here, I can put it up here. If I want to put it on this side, I can put it on this side. Y'all, if I want to do it like this, but ain't no way I'm doing it like that. That's a little bit extra. And then like do it like this. So, ooh, that was loud. All right, so sorry about that. But yeah, so this is how I blinged out my little cash tray. All right, so let's go ahead. All right, now back to the video of what we were actually pretty much doing, right, y'all? Okay, so we are going to be putting this cash and taking all of it. I'm not even gonna actually, I can't even open this. I'm not even gonna actually count it. I'm just gonna put it in here because counting it is not gonna help me in this situation here, because I need to put it where it needs to be. So that's what we got going on there. All right, so next we have P.O. Box. And like I said, I can just basically probably just go ahead and take like chunks of this. So hopefully, and I'm gonna go through just to make sure I don't have any of the cash in the wrong denominations. That's the only thing about when doing this. It's like, did I put all the 5s in the 5s? Did I put all the 50s in the 50s, or the 10s and the 10s? And I might have a little bit left, but if not, we'll figure it out and make sure that we have what we need there. So we'll put that there. All right, go there. So how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing pretty good and pretty much beating the heat. And okay, so for the emoji, let's try an emoji. So if you like winter, put a snowflake. Let's try that. And if you like the summer, spring, go ahead and drop me a sun. So I will be dropping a sun all day because I cannot do the winter. I mean, I have to deal with it, but I cannot do it because it is, I don't like the cold. Like, I am like a cold nature person, so the cold is not my friend. Not my friend. All right, so this is 50. Make sure we have all this. All right, so that's 100. So the 100, I just pretty much just stand it up. But I mean, if you like to have the 6 slots, then you might have to pass on this little thing. But this thing is like so crazy compact, and I want to see what my money looks like with it closed. Isn't that adorable? Yeah, that's so super cute. All right, so let's go on with the video. We've done enough. So let me put my hundreds back up here. All right, so let's go ahead and head back to the beginning. And we are going to do taxes. We're going to be adding $128. So we're going to do 6 20s. 1 5, and we're going to do 3 1s, 2 3. And y'all hear Aiden in the background like he's moving furniture. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we got 128 in there. All right, so next we have P.O. Box. P.O. Box, like I told you guys, that junk is up to $83. I started off at $43 and now it is $83. And I called and they said that it has went up and that is the price, and there is nothing wrong with my my invoice. So which I thought was something was wrong. 2 3 4, so we're doing $100. So yeah, so it is up to $83 because I got it in 2019 and now it's 2022, and I know things are going up, but I'm like, from $43 to $83, that's crazy. And I have the extra small box, the smallest box that the USPS has. Yeah, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I'm just saying, I wonder if it was a bigger box, how much would I pay? So this is every 6 months that I have to pay the $83. Okay, so next is storage unit. So storage unit will be getting 80, and then this money will eventually be coming out because the storage unit is going to be deducted out of my business checking account. Now this isn't all of my business money because I don't put all of it in this envelope. I do have a lot in my business checking account and business savings, but these are the ones that I use mostly. So this kind of helps me keep organized with the expenses that I need. So 50, 60, 70, 80. So I would say, like, if you want to start a business binder, I would say just write down the categories that you know that you're going to be going through more and that you want to save for. Like business license, we're just going to do $30 because we've already done $30 for this year, and then next year it's going to be $30. But who knows, the price might go up, but for as of now it is $30. And so that way you can already have your money for your business license, and it's not even you know, that almost close to the end of the year. We're still in the middle, but we do have the money for business license. So when it comes up next year, we already have it. So we're going to do 3 10s. And let me know if you guys decide to do 10, 20, 30 a business binder, and how you like it. All right, so next we're going to do growth. Growth is for Etsy, like not Etsy. I keep saying, because I saw Etsy there. It's for like if I want to do like Skillshare, or if I want to go like learning different things, how to do stuff. So that's going to get a $50 bill there. So we're going to put that in there. Right, so Etsy support is where I buy things from different Etsy shops, and then I show you guys. So we're going to do 120 and we're going to do 3 10s. So that's what we're doing there. So 20, 30, 40, 50. So that'll go in there. And I'm telling you guys, you can find some crazy cool stuff on Etsy. Like seriously, like creative people. All right, so we got supplies. So supplies, we're going to get $244. And I do need to take the money out for, because I use my Amazon credit card. So I got some points, some reward points back for that. So I do need to take the money out for these boxes, which was $24. I'm just going to not even add the change or any of the taxes. So I'm just going to do an even 24. So I'm going to go ahead and get the cash out. So we're going to do 100, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do 8 10s. So let me see if I can grab 8 10s. What you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we got 8 10s, and then we're going to do 4 1s. So I'm going to take $24 out of here because that's how much those boxes were. And I do have the boxes linked in my description box. And I posted this on my TikTok and my Instagram, and people were messaging me asking me where I got them from. So I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront if you want to see where I got it from. Y'all hear Aiden in the background yelling mommy? He's just yelling. He doesn't need me because I'm looking and he's just laughing. All right, so we got 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. All right, so we got 244 in here. So we're going to take out 20, 30, 40, Oh my gosh. Well, y'all, I'm really trying to pay myself, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's 24. So we got 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 20, 10, 20. Y'all, Aiden is throwing me off. Yeah, he's back there role playing. Yeah, he's saying he's right there. Okay. All right, so we have that. So next we have giveaway, and this is going to go into my on-the-go business little cash binder that I have. I'll show you guys. I've had it before. All right, so giveaway, we're going to do $25. So this is when I hit a lot of subscribers. I'm going to do a giveaway. So we got 20, 25. So that will go into my binder here. My envelope, not binder. Well, binder, envelope. Okay, so Roth IRA, we're going to keep that at 100. I need to deposit this into checking account so I can transfer to, I keep thinking he's calling me, but he is actually role playing. Right, so next we have equipment. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 210s, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, so we got 150. All right, so that's what we got there. And this is all of our money being allocated. And that is all for that binder here. So you see how easy it is for me to kind of redo my envelopes. I just sat and kind of brainstormed on what I use the most for my envelopes. So that's how I kind of figured that out. Now I'm going to take my little wallet. This is the wallet that I take with me, like if I need to take money to pay like on my storage unit. And I will probably end up, but it's not the day yet, I'll probably end up putting that in there because that automatically comes out. So for product and supplies, this goes in here. So this goes, I'll have to deposit this into my business checking account. So we got 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 24. So we will put that in there. And I don't always have money in these little envelopes, but I like to keep this separate from my everyday cash spending wallet because it makes it just so much easier to use and to keep up with. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. And you guys are just pretty much awesome. Don't forget to drop those emojis. And if you have not already, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. It's called A Pink Cloth Life. Please make sure to follow me on those pages. And then if you did like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, like. And then like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.